Are you tired of switching between Zoom and your task manager during meetings? Today, I'm going to show you how to take notes and assign tasks in Zoom using Asana so you can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. First, open your Zoom app and log in. Make sure you're using the right account, especially if you have multiple profiles. Being logged in ensures you have access to all the features we'll need. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, head to the Apps section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Apps icon to open the Zoom app marketplace, where you can integrate a variety of tools to enhance your meetings. Next, we'll search for Asana. In the search bar, type Asana and hit Enter. You'll see the Asana app appear in the results. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page with more details about the integration. Here, you'll see an option to add the app to Zoom. Before adding, it's important to understand what this integration does. Connecting Asana with Zoom allows you to manage tasks directly from your meetings, making your workflow seamless. Click Add and you'll be prompted to grant permissions. Take a moment to read through them, then approve the access. Once the integration is complete, you'll see a confirmation that Asana is now connected to Zoom. And just like that, you're ready. During your meetings, you can now take notes, create tasks, and assign them instantly, without ever leaving Zoom. This setup is a game changer for teams. Meetings aren't just discussions anymore. They become actionable, organized, and accountable. Everyone stays on the same page, and tasks get tracked efficiently in real time. Give it a try in your next meeting and watch how it transforms your productivity. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more productivity tips.